Okay, in this case, we have given that is R, Y. Okay, here it is R, Y, and this is B. So R, Y, B sequence means just R, then Y, then B. R, Y, B sequence would be as positive. Got it? So the angle between R and Y is how much? 120 degrees. It is on the negative side, so it would be minus 120 degrees. Angle between R and B is how much? That is minus 240 degrees, right? Because all these angles are 120 degree placed. So angle between R and Y is how much? Minus 120 degree. Angle between R and B is how much? Minus 40 degree. And the angle between R and R is how much? Obviously the zero, correct? Now see, if I'll see it from the opposite side, angle between R and B plus 120. Yeah, right? Because positive side. Again, the angle between R and Y would be plus 240 degree. Correct? If I'll move it according to RYB sequence, that is positive sequence, that is 0, minus 20, and then plus 120, or we can say minus 2. Got it? So generally we have given a voltage. Voltage would be of three angles. One angle is always 0, another angle is minus 120, and another angle is minus 240 degree. So similar is the case here. We have given the voltage. Voltage is how much? 400. Okay. So one of the angle of voltage is degree. One of the angle of voltage is minus 120 degree. One of the angle of plus 120. Got it? Now we need to calculate line current. As you know, the formula of line current is equal to the phase current, and phase current is equal to VH divided by ZP, right? So VPH is how much? They haven't mentioned, but they have mentioned the line voltage. Line voltage is equal to times of phase voltage as it is of star connect, right? Now just read the question and tell me how much is the line voltage. As I told, if they have mentioned nothing, then we consider the voltage as a line voltage. They have given 400 volt, that would be your line voltage, correct? Is equal to root 3. Now we need to calculate VPH. So how can we get VPH? VPH would be equal to 100 divided by, yes or no? Okay. So 400 divided by root. So one of the voltage is 400 divided by root 3. Another voltage is same. Magnitude same. 400 by root, 400 by root, and 400 by. Okay. Now we need to calculate the current. Current is IRY. IRY would be how much? Obviously the VRY divided by ZRY. Yes or no? Right? Or we can say the current IR equal to VR divided by ZR. Right? VR is how much? 100 angle 0. ZR is how much? 24 plus J7. Can we solve it for the IR? Tell me. In the rectangular form, we can convert it into the polar form, then we can further solve it. Similarly, we need to calculate IY. Next angle is how much? Minus 120. So we'll write down 400 angle minus 123 divided by the ZY. IY means the VY divided by ZY. So that would be 9 plus J40, right? Similarly, we can get IB. Now the next angle is how much? Plus 120 degree. That would be 400 plus angle 120 divided by 3 plus J. So you have to remember that if they have given RYB sequence, okay, we have to take that. You can take minus 240 or you can take plus 120. It answer would be same. If you want to take here minus 240, you can take as minus 2. Okay, that would be your choice. IR is VCAR by ZR. The thing is which you need to remember, first angle is 400 angle 0 degree voltage, then minus 120 degree. For the third, you can take either plus 120 degree or minus, else otherwise the thing is same.